All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're back. Now, for the sake of problem number 3. For problem number 3, look at this. Do you see the cross? You might think a cross is not an angle, but yes, but you're wrong. They're still angles. Why? Look, we have 4 angles here. We have angle LKI, angle IKJ, angle JKM, and angle MKL. However, those are not the only angles because there are many more angles rather than that. Like we also have angles LKJ, which is a straight angle, and angle IKM, which is also a straight angle. So for this matter, you'll be encountering whenever you see angles that look like cross marks, they're called vertical angles. And by definition means vertical angles are if one opposite side is this measure, then the opposite side must also be the same measure. Now, here's the problem. We need to look for the measure of angle JKM, which is this guy, and angle LKM, which pertains to this guy. All right? Now let's get started. First of all, we need to do something. First of all, to solve for angle JKM, which is this one, first we know by definition means that angle IKM is a straight angle, just like what I said a while ago, right? And since angle IKJ is 100 degrees, this just so happens that it implies the application of supplementary angle word problems. So therefore, here's the solution. 180, which is the total, minus 100. All right? Okay, so here's the solution to our problem. 180 degrees minus 100 is 80. So therefore, angle JKM measures exactly 80 degrees. Even if I were to verify with the protractor, as you can see, it should still measure 80 degrees. Makes sense, right? Now, we don't think we're done yet because we still have angle LKM, which is this guy. However, do you know there's a shortcut here? The shortcut there is to apply vertical angles. We know that vertical angles are the opposite side of this angle should be the same measure as this one. So therefore, we know that angle LKM is also 100 degrees lamang. All right? Yun. So angle JKM is 80 degrees. So if I were to fill in the chart, now if I were to fill in everything, does it make sense to you? I sure hope it does, because look, angle JKM is 80 degrees, which is the sum of the measure to make the straight angle, and angle LKM is 100 degrees, which is by definition means of the vertical angles. Then you can also apply vertical angles for this one to this one, because angle JKM and angle IKL are also vertical angles whose measure are 80 degrees din, right? And remember, just like what I said, when you add up all the sum of all the angles here, they should make a full rotation. And how many degrees do you need to make a full rotation? Yup, 360. So let's compute to see if we get 360. If we get 360, the answer is superbly correct. Okay, good news. It's already verified that this is a complete rotation. The answer is correct. 100 degrees and 80 degrees. Add them together. We got a total sum of 360 degrees. And that's it for problem 3.